It's the life. Let's go. Quick fix. Level 3. Level up. I'm about to set the bar on these niggas. I'ma leave a scar on these niggas. Ain't no competition running over all these niggas. Know exactly what to call these niggas. Bitches. You wanna contest, contest me. Ready to learn number lessons. Smith the Wesson, cause the weapon never left me. I got leverage. They figure that niggas slower cause I done got older. The flow is still one of the coldest, well up and I'll show ya. Cause we don't give a fuck about your house or your car or your jewels or them niggas that you run with. Cause they can never touch the sound of them thuggers, records, niggas. We shut them down on some thug shit. One in a million, never another switching it up cause I'm a chameleon. Blending that cover will never suck us, my nigga deal. Just come with the skill, we deal with them niggas that they dealt with. Kill him, miss they death wish. Who the nigga made the beat pound when he put the speed down? Kill him with a bar. Who the nigga with the unique style? Who would truly leave out in awe? Who the nigga gon' make sure thugs stay thug and the man stay man? What's the nigga name? Tell him one more again. Who the nigga made the beat pound when he put the speed down? Kill him with a bar. Who the nigga with the unique style? Who would truly leave out in awe? Who the nigga gon' make sure thugs stay thug and the man stay man? What's the nigga name? Tell him one more again. All these rappers talking about they got a new style, a new sound. I blew down to peep the competition, but I don't see nothing but a few clowns. I drew down, so who now wild enough to run afoul of us? I'm gunning them down with skills when I come around. Shutting shit down, nobody in, let nobody out. Should we begin? Try murder them, that's what I doubt. They looking grim next to them, Saki knock him out. Night, hit them with the grimlet, make them niggas scream bright light. Saudi poppin', dropping them bosses, we rock them bye-bye. Ain't no coming back from this murder, I make it that right. That's your only highlight. Murder, die. On the neck of these lanes, looking for niggas here to claim to be the best in the game. Exposing them all, this fraud since the blessing we came. Mess around and I'ma have to express my name. Knock it down, so I'ma have to adjust my aim. Murder your rep, I'ma make her forget your K. We lyrical murderers, we do this all day. See how I run over haters in my way. My tongue is like an AK-47 when I spray. I register my skill as a weapon cause I slay. Every single hook and every lyric I lay. They better believe it's on blaze cause that's cray. Who the nigga made the beat pound when he put the speed down? Kill him with a bar. Who the nigga with the unique style? Who would truly leave out in awe? Who the nigga gon' make sure thugs stay thug and the man stay man? What's the nigga name? Tell him one more again. Who the nigga made the beat pound when he put the speed down? Kill him with a bar. Who the nigga with the unique style? Who would truly leave out in awe? Who the nigga gon' make sure thugs stay thug and the man stay man? What's the nigga name? Tell him one more. Quick fix. Level 3. Level up. I'm about to set the bar on these niggas. I'ma leave a scar on these niggas. Ain't no competition running over all these niggas. Know exactly what to call these niggas. Bitches. You wanna contest, contest me. Ready to learn number lessons. Smith the Wesson, cause the weapon never left me. I got leverage. They figure that niggas slower cause I done got older. The flow is still one of the coldest, well up and I'll show ya. Cause we don't give a fuck about your house or your car or your jewels or them niggas that you run with. Cause they can never touch the sound of them thuggers, records, niggas. We shut them down on some thug shit.
Saat hatimu terluka, akulah yang menemanimu, membasuh air matamu. Namun mengapa ketika hatimu telah tersenyum lagi, aku yang kau lupa. Tak sadarkah selama ini ku juga selalu menginginkanmu. Mengapa sulit untuk ku bisa memiliki hatimu? Bahkan selama ini hadirku tak berharga untukmu. Yang terjadi kini, ku hanya rumah persinggahanmu. Di saat kau terluka dan di saat semuanya reda,